If your phone is showing an unusable SIM message, it usually means the device is not able to read or authenticate to your SIM card properly. In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this issue. Start by restarting your phone to refresh the system. If the issue remains, power off your phone and remove the SIM card. Gently clean the gold contacts with a dry cloth, reinsert the SIM properly, and make sure the tray is fully closed. If you are using a dual SIM phone, try switching the SIM to another slot. Next, check for any pending software updates in your phone settings, because outdated firmware can cause SIM detection problems. Also head to mobile network settings and ensure airplane mode is turned off, and reset network settings if needed. If the SIM is still not recognized, insert it into another phone. If it works there, your device may have a SIM tray or reader issue. If it does not work on another phone, the SIM itself is likely damaged or deactivated. In that case, contact your mobile carrier and request a SIM replacement or reactivation. And that's it. These are some fixes for the issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.